So right now this is at 80%. This is going to be the base for the gun. It's look like a weird plastic piece, look like almost like I have basketball, but I'm going to show you guys when it's done how it's going to look. And this will be two pieces left and right holding the gun, hooking up to the bearing so the gun can tilt up and down. Okay, so we just finished one side. This is one side of the gun support. So this part over here gonna get removed. It's like you just press it and it's gonna pop out. And I made the holes already inside here to put the screws to put the both piece together, and some holes already on the bottom, so it's gonna hook up to the platform of the camera car. It took 23 hours and 18 minutes to do that. Now we're gonna start print number 2. I don't have enough color, so it's gonna be like orange and other color, whatever I have leftovers. So let's see when it's gonna be done. So this is the beginning of the gun mount. It's gonna take about like almost 24 hours to do. And I'm gonna go through the time what we're doing. But this is going to be the basic information that the printer is doing right now to create the base of the gun. The gun will kind of going to be standing here, so it can pivot up and down. It's going to be like look like almost half a basketball. So I'm going to take every couple hours of video. There's no point even to try to do time lapse, because this thing literally going to take so long. It's going to run, any camera will run out of battery. See you in a couple hours. One hour 28 minutes, and we only got about a 1/4 inch. Pretty solid. Okay, so this is right now 8 hours, and we're kind of about like maybe I would say 3/4 of an inch on the gun platform. Ten hours. This is the second piece actually. We're gonna be a mixed video, but look what just happened. I'm running out of material. I'm gonna have to change the color. Let's do it real quick, and the next video will be with a different color. 10 hours, wow, it's not even an inch. This is the second plate again. We're doing time lapse. This is hour 19. I ran out of couple colors, so I'm using all the leftover. All my leftovers are going on this project. So here it is the second unit. It's finished out of the 3D printer. Now when we open this, there is a center here that is going to be for the bearing. It ended up kind of perfect. There's going to be another half going here. So I'm going to show you when we put it in together now.